In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to quickly set up Cloudflare Turnstile CAPTCHA to protect your website forms from spam for free. By the end, your forms will have an invisible line of defense, and you'll spend less time sifting through junk submissions. Let's jump in and get your forms secured. First, we'll start in your Cloudflare dashboard. Look over towards the sidebar and find Turnstile. It's one of Cloudflare's newer tools, designed to keep bots out and legit users in. Without making people solve those annoying, select all squares with a bicycle puzzles. Go ahead and select Turnstile. Take a moment here to notice how all your security options are organized. The Turnstile option is usually near the bottom under Bots or Security. But if you don't see it right away, don't worry. There's a search bar at the top you can use. Next, you'll add your website to Turnstile. Just click the Add Site button. Now when it asks for your domain name, type it in exactly as it's set up. Most people use something like yoursite.com. Be sure not to include any HTTP or www prefixes unless your actual domain needs them. Cloudflare uses this to register where the Turnstile CAPTCHA will be protecting data, so it's important to get it right. Once you've entered your site, just click Add Site. Now, Cloudflare will prompt you for some initial settings for your widget. This is where you choose what kind of experience your users will have. There are a few different modes: managed, non-interactive, or invisible. If you want Turnstile to decide completely for you, choose managed. It's the easiest and adapts to each user. If you need something less visible, go with invisible. Pick whatever fits best for your site, knowing you can always come back and tweak this if you're unsure right now. Once you've made your choice, Cloudflare will generate your site key and your secret key. These are like unique passwords that let your site and Cloudflare talk to each other securely. Keep these handy, you'll need them in the next step. Let's move over to your WordPress dashboard. Head into the backend and find your Forms plugin. Maybe you use WP Forms, Gravity Forms, or something like Divi. Every high-quality form plugin has a spam or CAPTCHA section in its settings. Sometimes it might take a minute to find. Look for something labeled Spam Protection or simply CAPTCHA. Click in and you'll likely see Turnstile as an option if you don't. Your plugin may need an update or may not support Turnstile yet, in which case, check its documentation. When you see the option for Cloudflare Turnstile, go ahead and select it. Then paste the site key and secret key you just got from Cloudflare. Double-check there are no extra spaces before or after the keys, a little detail. But sometimes it's the difference between things working or not. Now flip over to your Forms editor. This is where you actually tell your form where to show Turnstile. You'll usually have an add field button, or sometimes you can just paste a shortcode like Turnstile right where you want the CAPTCHA to show up. Usually the best spot is just before the submit button, so users see it right before they finish. Think of it like putting a helpful security guard at the front door, not at the back where nobody's looking. Once that's done, save your form. This part might take a few moments. Don't panic if the page refreshes a couple of times or your form takes a second to update. Now visit your site and try submitting the form yourself. You should see the Turnstile widget appear, and if all's gone well, real people get through while bots get stopped. And that's all there is to it. With just these quick steps, your forms are now protected by Cloudflare Turnstile. And you can rest easier knowing spam bots are getting locked out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your setup experience, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. For more walkthroughs like this, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching.